Hey guys, it's Jess and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. If you haven't already, I would love for you to be a part of my YouTube family and hit that subscribe button along with that notification bell so you won't miss out on any of the videos I post. So in today's video, I have got some extreme cleaning motivation for you all. I've got major decluttering and organizing. I cleaned out 3 of my drawers that was an absolute mess, and it felt so good to get them nice and tidy again. I'm going to share with you all some tips and tricks to clean the most stubborn places of your home, and including some of my favorite cleaning products that I use all the time that I absolutely love and 100% recommend. So we will go ahead and get on into cleaning, and I hope you guys clean with me. So I'm switching it up a little bit today, and instead of making my bed first, I'm just kind of tidying it up everywhere. I really wanted to get some organizing done in my drawers, so I started by doing that first. And side note, if you guys haven't tried candles from Bath & Body, you need to, and this is like the champagne toast one, which smells amazing. So these are my drawers before, and they're not a huge mess, but to me they are a wreck because they're usually organized and all neat and tidy, and I know exactly where everything is. Y'all, I knew where nothing was. So it was way overdue that I clean these drawers out and get them organized and back into tip-top shape. So I'm starting off by just taking everything out of these drawers, clearing them out and kind of organizing them in sections so I know what I can get rid of and what I don't need to. And then I'm just going to clean out my drawers. I have a little cloth felt piece in the bottom of all my drawers, so I'm just going to lint roll those, wipe out that little clear container, and then just add it in there and add all my stuff back in. And this is a really good tip and a really good organizing little tip or trick, but I put all of my smaller bags into a larger bag so I know exactly where they are, and if I need one, I know that they're all in that larger little tote. So I try my best to separate all my drawers in specific categories so I can kind of get into one drawer at a time in the morning when I'm getting ready. So my first drawer that I organized over there has like all my vitamins in it, my lotions. That's like the first thing I do when I get up, is to take my vitamins, put lotion on my hands, go brush my teeth, wash my face, and all of that stuff is in that first drawer. And then the second drawer is all of my scrunchies, hair stuff, my hairbrush, my Olaplex, all of my deodorant, any jewelry that I have. So I do that all in kind of one phase. And then this last drawer is all of my makeup. So of course, when I put on my makeup, I want it all there readily available for me to get. And this was a mess. I get Ipsy bags, so this whole drawer is just tiny little samples, and they take up so much room. But I am not a huge makeup person, so it's a really big perk that comes with Ipsy, is that I get to try different beauty products and different like makeup products that I would normally never buy. So I'm just going through here and getting rid of everything that I don't use anymore. And I cleaned out one of those 3-wick candle like little canisters, and I put all of my makeup that I use every day in that. So the makeup that I use every day, no matter what I do, if I wear makeup, I put it all in one spot so I don't have to search for it every morning. So this is what my drawers looked like after I got everything clean and organized. It felt so good to actually know where everything was and to get all of the stuff I wasn't using anymore out. And I know my makeup drawer still looks like a mess, but honestly, it made a huge difference to actually just know where everything was. And it's helped so much of a mornings when I'm getting ready to actually know where to find everything. So when I do the dishes, I use scalding hot water, and we don't have a dishwasher, so we're left to hand wash everything. And I'm always complaining about my hands being like dry and cracking and being sore and just like raw from being in the water all the time. So Michael got me these little nifty, I guess, dishwashing gloves. They've got little bristles on them, so you can just like put the soap on there, make them real sudsy, and do your dishes. But I was struggling to put them on this day. So if you guys haven't seen these, they work really well, and they keep your hands like protected from drying out and being all cracked and just hurting from if you use really hot water when you do dishes. So I would recommend these if you have problems with your hands drying out really bad. And now we're finally getting around to making my bed. I just kind of put it off today because I was trying to get so much other stuff done, and I felt like those were higher on my priority list than getting my bed made today. So I'm just now getting around to it, and it made me feel so much better, and it just makes my room feel so much cleaner to have it made. Now I've got to get some laundry done that has been piling up. I have still been using the Method laundry detergent and fabric softener pretty much every time I do laundry, but today I had some Snuggle left over, so I was just going to go ahead and use that. I've been running low on my Method laundry detergent, so I have been using it to wash my sheets because it just lingers for so much longer, it feels like. But now I'm going to go ahead and clear out everything out of my closet floor so I can get in there and kind of deep clean and scrub my baseboards. And I'm just using my Thieves Cleaner. You just add a capful into a gallon of water. This was not a gallon of water, so it kind of made it extra strong. But I'm just using that to clean off everything in my closet that I pull out, along with my floor and my trim. And right here, I'm trying to show you guys how dirty it was behind these totes, but this video did not do it justice. It was so nasty, and it was a huge difference when I got all these out and could clean behind them.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me.
Yeah, you might have to take out the 3 seconds over here.
In the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell.
And I'm using both these totes to just kind of reorganize my cleaning products. In one, I'm putting all of my spray bottles in of pre-made cleaning products. In that back one, I'm just putting some like overstock. So my soap refills and my dish soap that I'm not using right now, and some things that I make my tulip balms out of.
Forever free.
So this was the after of cleaning everything out down here. It made me feel so much better that I had all this done. And now it's on to the next organizing and decluttering. I've got this little file tote that I keep all of our work documents, receipts, everything in. So I was just going through here and getting out things we no longer needed and cleaning it out, reorganizing it, and getting rid of some of the files that we no longer was using. And now it's on to cleaning these really stubborn window sills. I've got a little before shot so you guys can see how nasty and dirty these were. I hadn't cleaned these in forever and you could totally tell it. So I'm just kind of wiping the worst off at first, and then I'm taking this little spray bottle to get it wet. But I am going to share with you guys how exactly I clean my windowsills and what I use. It's been the best thing I have found so far to clean these with little to no fuss, but it does require some work. Okay, so 3 things you need to clean your windowsills are, I'll put it down here, toothpicks, Q-tips, and a spray bottle of water. And make it to where it will do like, I don't know if you guys can see it, but, well, not like that. Like the narrow, I'm squirting back out the window. But do like the little narrow stream of water so the pressure can get all the junk out of the corners of your windows. Love you. I didn't really mean to squirt you at first.
Oh yeah.
And I've got a little helper outside, and he was such a huge help with getting my windows clean. I really honestly could not have done it without him. But here is an after shot of my windows, and it looked so much better. And I'm just going ahead and cleaning off my handle here. It doesn't get really dirty, but I just try to keep it clean to keep it from getting super dirty, especially since it's on the inside of my room. But these windows looked so much better, and it felt so nice to have them really nice and clean. So I love this Methods Daily Cleaner. It's the Wood for Good and the almond scent. Y'all, this stuff smells amazing, and if you guys haven't tried it, you need to give it a try. I get it from Grove Collaborative. I'll leave my link below if you're interested in trying it, but it does such a good job at cleaning and polishing your wood. I just love it. So that's all I've got for today. I can't thank you all enough for stopping by and spending some time with me. I would love for you guys to press that like button, along with leaving a comment on some of your favorite cleaning products that I can give a try. I always love trying new products and trying new cleaning products, and I would love to hear what you all love and would recommend. I just want to thank you guys again for spending some time with me today. It means the absolute world to me, and I cannot wait to see you guys in the next one.